Hey y'all! Oh, you're not saying so guys, we are going to our choral service today. I am so excited because I haven't been to a choral service in years, literally. Probably from primary school, because I think them did keep that at high school. So I'm very excited for those, you know, hear all the Christmas carols. Some of them I'm not even remember and all that. But first we are go back a flow this morning. We are trying to be early so we can hopefully get through, because it's now 8 o'clock. They actually open at 8, but hopefully we can get there in, you know, a good enough time when a lot of people are not there, and then we're gonna head to the church.
I mean, it's raining, so hopefully a lot of people. I'm just saying that it's raining, so hopefully a lot of people are not there.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna head to the church to set up music and stuff, because as you guys know, well, probably you guys don't know, but babe is a pianist. I saw babe, or a keyboardist. I see something. So yeah, so babe is gonna be playing music for them. I just did go say me glad say it's not hot today, but here comes the sun. The day is up, yeah, the day, I don't think it's gonna be hot though. Yeah, baby say it's not gonna be hot because it's been raining. It was raining last night and into this morning, so as you can see, well, you can't really see, but the place is mostly wet. Yeah. No, so we never did plan for color coordinate today. Coincidence. But just take up this dress. Then we say beer up, babe, I wear blue shirt. But I like it though. It look nice. It look like Christmas. Come to town. So we finally get through, guys. We finally get the phone afloat, and it turns out it never really free. We did have to pay like $650, but we just pay it and done, because we can have it as a backup phone. It's a Samsung A4E, so we can just have it, as me say, as a backup phone. So finally. So we're now heading to the church for the choral service. It's at 10 o'clock. It's now 9:24, so we have like half hour, but we want to reach there a little bit early, because as I said, babe, I go play music. So it's a vlog because the background is so like really noisy with the cars, and then as I start record back is a truck that I pass. But yeah, as I was saying, babe is going to play music, so he wants to have a little time to, you know, set up the equipment and all of that.
you something that's going to happen. Don't worry, Mary, for you have found grace with God. You're going to have a baby. You will give birth to a son, and you shall give him the name Jesus. He shall be great, and shall be called the Son of the Most High, and the Lord God shall give him the throne of his father David.
Yashika is on the track team. Yes. She plays netball. Yes. She doing quiz. Yes. She sings. Yes. She dance. Every bus leaving the school compound, Yashika and it. Give Yashika a big round of applause.
Carol service is done. It was very good. It was refreshing, you know, just to see the children dancing, singing, getting gifts for their hard work for this term. It was a really good time. Me in the Christmas spirit more now, so it was good to be there. So I'm gonna get some lunch now, and then I'm gonna need to do my nails. I'm gonna get Christmassy nails, yeah, because these basically gone. 3 of them gone after the hand here, but this hand still intact. So fix your face now. Fit, you know. Say hi. Lunch, and we are going to head home. We don't live far from the restaurant that we were at, so we're gonna head home quickly for me to get some slippers, because we did wear shoes this morning. Every time this happened to me, I wear shoes and I know I go and polish my toes. I have to just leave one slippers in the car, so whenever I want it, I have to go home. But yeah, we're going to go home, get our slippers, and then come back on the road for me to get my nails done. I don't have an appointment, because whenever I set appointment, it just never work out. Every time I go there, somebody always there in my appointment time, so I just decide to walk in. But I called the nail tech, and she did say she have 2 persons a while back, so hopefully nobody else came, and we can get through in good time when we go there. Some disgusting bum if I decide to find itself on my face side. Hey, what is this? I love bum, babe. So today is Saturday, and I didn't really record much of my nails yesterday because I just wasn't in the mood. I was tired, I wanted to sleep. I almost lost because a mosquito bite me. The nail tech moved and I couldn't find the place, so it was just a whole disaster. But I actually liked how the nails came out. yeah, it's giving Christmas, and that's the vibe I was going for. As I said, today is Saturday. I am at church. I have a rehearsal for Christmas Sunday. We want to do like a skit, and I'm gonna be the narrator, so I am just here waiting on some other people to come. I am not going to vlog it because it's going to be distracting, and I'm gonna be narrator, so I have to be actively participating or actively involved or whatever. So I'm going to end off this vlog right here, and I'm going to edit it so y'all can get it to watch tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is also a special day for my husband and I. You guys will see that coming very soon, so just stay tuned, like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.